welcome to K&E Arms. Today in this video, we'll be shooting some ballistic gel with 22 long rifle and 9mm.
These are the rounds we're going to be shooting. This is a CCR 22, a subsonic. It has a hollow point. This is a 9mm Federal Hydra-Shock, and this is a Hornady Critical Duty.
We'll be firing it out of the Savage Mark II 22 long rifle with a 20-inch barrel.
Then the first round we'll be firing is the Federal Hydra-Shock. Using the Taurus PT92 with a 5-inch barrel. There's the entry hole, and there's the exit hole. I will be firing the Hornady Critical Duty. Firing the Hornady. At the top, so we don't get to show what it did, so we're going to take a second shot. This hole right here, it's kind of hard to see, it's the 22. This is the Federal, and that's the Hornady. Okay, we'll be using the Marine K-bar to cut this open.
Just push.
That was easy. Wow, look at that. There's the wound cavities from the 2 9mm. That's the Hornady, and that's the Federal. It looked like the Federal messed it up a little more. It's got some, and now we're gonna try and cut open where the 22 was. Little pieces of shrapnel, there's one.
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
Yeah, there's some more wound cavities from it. Rip it open. The bullet must have gone through, because we can't find it. And there's where the one Hornady was that we missed. I'm just going to put this gelatin out of its misery. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for